Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, Adani Defense expressed interest in Naval helicopter program. Adani Defense and Aerospace has expressed interest in the long-delayed Naval Utility Helicopter program according to statements by CEO Ashish Rajvanshi. The Indian Navy's search for new helicopters present opportunities for both competition and cooperation within the defense industry. The Ministry of Defense envisions the procurement of around 111 naval utility helicopters through a complex arrangement. These helicopters will be manufactured in India based on technology provided by a foreign OEM under the Strategic Partnership Framework outlined in the Defense Procurement Procedure 2016. Next, unveiling of short-range tactical UAV at Maharashtra MSME Defense Expo. Kalyani Group, a leading Indian defense and aerospace conglomerate, showcased a new short-range tactical unmanned aerial vehicle at the recent Maharashtra MSME Defense Expo. This marks the company's foray into the development of UAVs for the Indian military and paramilitary forces. Next, Nyoma Airstrip ready for operations in eastern Ladakh near LOC. IAF has taken a significant step towards bolstering its presence in eastern Ladakh with the completion of a paved runway at the Nyoma Airstrip, located just 30 kilometers from the line of actual control. This development mirrors India's efforts to counter China's infrastructure advancement in the region. Situated at an altitude of 13,700 feet, Nyoma offers a strategic advantage due to proximity to the LAC. The newly paved runway will now allow the IAF to operate transport aircraft and attack helicopters from the location. Next, Trisonic wind tunnel for rocket development unveiled by ISRO. ISRO has taken a significant leap forward in its space exploration endeavors with the inauguration of a first-of-its-kind large Trisonic wind tunnel (TWT) at the Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. This groundbreaking facility will play a crucial role in optimizing the aerodynamic design of future rockets and spacecraft, paving the way for a more efficient and cost-effective space program. The TWT is a unique wind tunnel capable of simulating 3 distinct flight regimes: subsonic below the speed of sound, trisonic at the speed of sound, and hypersonic above the speed of sound. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for testing the aerodynamic performance of scaled down models of rockets and re-entry spacecrafts under various atmospheric conditions. Next, small nuclear reactors for cleaner energy future. The Naval Lignite Corporation LLC, a leading power producer in India, is exploring a novel approach to clean energy generation. NLC is in talks with the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited to establish small modular reactors at its coal mines, according to NLC Chairman and Managing Director Mr. M. Prasanna Kumar. Next, PM Modi to be part of Pokhran's Bharat Shakti exercise. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will participate in the war game Bharat Shakti in Pokhran, Rajasthan on March 12th. Participation in this will be done only through indigenously designed weapon platforms and systems. Top officers of the three armies, including Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan, are going to participate in the exercise to be held in Pokhran. The concept of self-reliant India is going to be seen in this exercise. Next, ISRO to explore beyond Earth. In a compelling statement, ISRO Chairman S. Somnath emphasized the imperative of exploring other planets and celestial bodies for potential human habitation, underscoring the inherent spirit of exploration ingrained within humanity. His remarks delivered on Saturday shed light on the pressing need to expand our understanding of the cosmos and consider alternative habitats beyond Earth. Next, organizing 2-day brainstorming on Atmanirbhar Bharat. Taking the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Made in India initiative forward, the Department of Military Affairs under the Ministry of Defence is conducting an intensive brainstorming over the next 2 days on March 4th and 5th between the service headquarters and important stakeholders from Department of Defence, production, defence industry representatives and other relevant partners. Next, first female sniper in BSF. The first women sniper of BSF was prepared after training at the Central Armament and Combat Skills School of BSF, Indore. After the completion of the sniper course, BSF shared the information of the first female sniper from its X account. Suman Kumari, posted as sub-inspector in BSF Punjab unit, was the only woman in the 8-week sniper training course conducted at the BSF campus in Indore. Thank you.